Hi, I'm Greg Smith, CEO of One Reverse Mortgage, and I'm glad that you're taking the time to watch this video and learn more about reverse mortgages. First and foremost, it's important to us that you have all the information you need to make an educated decision. A reverse mortgage may not be right for everyone, but for many, it changes how they live their retirement and can provide them with money they can access now or in the future. The purpose of this video is to help you determine if a reverse mortgage could be good for you. You may want to write down any questions so you can talk about them with one of our licensed specialists. Please enjoy the video as you learn more about the reverse mortgage.
Hi, I'm Jerry Jones. I've been a licensed reverse mortgage specialist with One Reverse Mortgage since 2009. At One Reverse Mortgage, we're in the business of helping seniors achieve their retirement goals by utilizing a reverse mortgage. So how exactly can a reverse mortgage help create a better retirement? We'll answer that along the way. First, let's go through the basics. What is a reverse mortgage? A reverse mortgage is a lot like a traditional mortgage. You borrow the money against the equity you have built in your home. However, with a reverse mortgage, no monthly payments are required, and you must be a homeowner who's 62 or older to get one. Here's how it works. The proceeds from your reverse mortgage first go to pay off your existing mortgage, if you have one. You can receive any leftover money in one lump sum or monthly distributions. It can even remain available for later use by using a line of credit. It's also important to remember that you must still pay your property taxes and homeowners insurance as well as maintain your home. Some clients use the loan to fulfill an immediate need, such as home improvements, paying off medical bills, or other debts. Some use it for something special, like purchasing a second home.
At the time, we had a very happy, successful life. We had a lot of money in the bank. We had a lot of home equity. Now, you can't always determine what's going to happen in your life. And my husband had gotten very ill, and our insurance had grown to $2,000 a month in payments. So that took our entire pension in 8 years. I had learned about reverse mortgages in real estate school. I always thought they were for people that were in their 80s, and I was just brushing past 60, but I thought, I'm going to start researching this and see if one of us would be able to get a reverse mortgage, because that would free us up from having house payments every month, help us to have the money we need for medical care for Kenneth, and keep our bills paid and have a nice life in our own home. Our life has been much better ever since we got the mortgage, because the reverse mortgage, because it did free up equity, and it also kept us in our home without making a house payment every month.
The reverse mortgage product works even better for those that don't need the money now, but want to ensure it's available to them in the future. A reverse mortgage line of credit could actually extend how long your retirement savings will last. Some financial advisors are recommending this product for retirement planning. We'll explain the reverse mortgage line of credit shortly. Whether you take money now or later, the proceeds from a reverse mortgage can be used for anything you like. However, there are some smart ways to use the proceeds in order to maximize the loan's benefits and to enhance your retirement. Here's how. You can take a lump sum or monthly distributions from your line of credit to live on so you can defer using your other retirement assets. By doing this, your other assets can have more time to increase in value. You do not have to draw any money when you start your line of credit. Different from the traditional home equity line of credit, the available funds in a reverse mortgage line of credit increase over time. For example, if you want to draw $10,000 from your line of credit 2 years after you open it, and you have $70,000 left after that, $70,000 will continue to grow in value over time. The funds increase by the rate secured at the time the line was opened, and the amount of available funds compounds. So years later, when you need to access some of the money, the amount available to you could be double the amount or even more than the amount available to you when you open the line of credit.
Once we got the closing, went to closing, we just felt fantastic. I mean, it lifted a significant burden. We're thinking 20 years ahead. What's our life going to be like in the next 20 years? We know there are going to be ups and downs, just as there always are. But this gives us a sense of financial security and stability over the next 20 years.
It gave us peace of mind to know that we have a firm financial plan, something that we know we can count on. And we know that it's FHA approved too. Our loan is FHA approved. So we feel just peace of mind.
Our kids were very supportive. They've seen a lot of the turmoil that we've seen over the last 5-7 years, and they're concerned. They knew we were proactive, and we took advantage of this reverse mortgage. They felt very good about it. They felt good knowing that we're secure and our future's secure for the next 20 years out.
The money available to you in your line of credit also creates a safety net for future costs, including medical bills, home repairs, or other unexpected purchases. Many financial media outlets have talked about the benefits of a reverse mortgage line of credit. A famous weekly news magazine called reverse mortgages a big asset hiding in plain sight, while a respected finance writer expressed her change of heart about reverse mortgage loans, saying she is very positive about reverse mortgages.
Hi, I'm Tiffany Davis, and I'm a licensed specialist with One Reverse Mortgage since 2012. Now that you know what a reverse mortgage is and some of the ways it can be used, you may be wondering what the process is for getting one. Making a call to talk to one of our licensed specialists is the first step. At One Reverse Mortgage, it is our goal to inform people of the facts of a reverse mortgage and answer their questions. Whether a reverse mortgage is right for someone or not, it's important to us that the client understands the loan. During the first call, many people talk about what they have heard about a reverse mortgage, and much of what we hear is not true. So before we continue on, let me outline true facts about a reverse mortgage. You retain ownership of your home with a reverse mortgage. You can make payments if you want to, but no monthly mortgage payments are required. You can still leave your home to your heirs, as is the same with a traditional mortgage. The remaining mortgage balance on the home must be paid off. This can be done with cash or the home being refinanced by the heir that wants to keep it. If your home appraises for less than what you owe at the time you leave the home, you only owe the appraised value. Also, during the initial call, your licensed specialist will determine if you can qualify and can provide you with a custom quote, the estimated reverse mortgage amount that you could qualify for. The next step in the process is to get an application, which your reverse mortgage specialist will send to you. Once you receive it, your specialist will walk you through the entire application over the phone and will answer any questions you may have. Next, you will attend the required educational counseling session with a HUD-approved counselor. In most states, this can be done over the phone. The counseling session is a requirement of the FHA. It is done by a third-party counselor to make sure the information you are getting is unbiased. The counselor's objective is to make sure you've considered all your options when making this financial decision. During the session, the counselor will explain the loan product, take you through the process of getting a reverse mortgage, and discuss your other options as well. Upon completion of your counseling, you will receive a certificate, which you need to send to your licensed specialist before you can move forward in the process. Once you turn in all of your signed documents and your counseling certificate, an appraisal is ordered. After your appraisal is complete, your licensed specialist will review your finances and credit history to ensure you're in the best position to succeed with your loan. Once you are approved for a reverse mortgage, we will schedule your closing date. You will close in the comfort of your home. Then you can start enjoying the benefits of your reverse mortgage loan.
A lot of things were happening in my life, and I thought about a reverse mortgage because I had seen the commercial, and I said, well, it wouldn't hurt to give it a try. And a friend of mine said, call One Reverse Mortgage. And I said, what have I got to lose? The process was so quickly, so easy, so smooth. I just can't say enough. I had a lot of questions, and they answered. The gentleman was very, very nice. He was very professional. And he was, he was right there for him. And he checked back with me also to see if there was any other kind of questions. And he says, because you'll be going to closing. And I'm going, really? And then we got the appraisal done and then closing. I think One Reverse Mortgage, the people are great. They're there to help you. They're there to help you achieve your goals. And I have referred family and friends to One Reverse Mortgage. And I'm glad I picked up the phone. I am glad I made that call.
We hope you enjoyed watching and that you've learned even more about reverse mortgages. Call us today to get your questions answered and find out how the reverse mortgage can help you. We look forward to changing the way you live your retirement.